Amazing scrap wood project ideas? If you have scrap wood, you will love the inspiration and ideas from these 5 beautiful and easy DIYs. Number 1. If you have a dog, so this idea will help you a lot. They will give you nice look for your house. Number 2. This simple decor from scrap wood and they will give you nice looking for your house. Number 3. This idea nice with your friends and family when you are seeing movies. Number 4. This idea is nice and gives nice looking for your room. Number 5. This idea nice when you are working at your house or studying, and they will saving you place. Thanks guys for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and if you want part 2 tell me on the comments.